In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get API key Shopify. To begin, open your web browser and sign in to your Shopify store. Make sure you are logging into the Shopify admin for the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, take a moment to confirm you have the right level of access. In many cases, creating or viewing app credentials requires permission to manage apps or developer settings. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll until you find Settings, then click it. Settings is where Shopify keeps the more advanced configuration options for your store, including your apps, sales channels, and developer tools. Inside Settings, find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where Shopify organizes all installed apps, connected channels, and the tools used to add new ones. It is also where you can access the area for creating custom apps, which is typically how you generate an API key for integrations. Now, in the Apps and Sales Channels page, locate and click Develop Apps. If you do not see this option, it can mean you do not have permission or that custom app development is not enabled for the store. In that case, you will need the store owner or an admin with the right access to enable it. When you click Develop Apps, you will be taken to the developer area where Shopify lets you manage app connections and credentials. From here, go to Catalogs, then click the option to get an API key. When the API key is shown, copy it carefully. Treat this key like a private credential. Only share it with trusted tools or team members who need it for an approved integration, and store it in a secure place. Avoid pasting it into public documents, chat messages, or screenshots. After you have copied the API key, you can paste it into the service or platform that requested it, following their setup instructions. And that is all there is to it.